You don't need a plan. You need a moment. The kind that guts you so deep, so suddenly, you can't lie to yourself for even 5 seconds. Not another to-do list, not a vision board, just one decision so microscopic it looks harmless, till it burns down the scaffolding of your fake life in silence. That's how real transformation happens. Not loudly, but irreversibly. I'm the Dark Light Mentor, and I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to rearrange the furniture in your psyche until your comfort collapses, until your autopilot malfunctions, until you can't sleepwalk through your own story anymore. You want a better life? Good. Because the one you're in right now, it's not a life. It's a performance. Polished, edited, and rehearsed so many times that even your soul forgot what the original script sounded like. Let me guess. You're still waiting for some grand awakening. The right time. A cosmic neon sign that says, now it's safe to change. But here's the twist you keep dodging. Your entire trajectory, your relationships, your confidence, your future is being decided by the tiny moments you treat like background noise. The yes you said when your whole body meant hell no. The truth you swallowed because the room wasn't ready. The scroll that stole your morning. The snooze that buried your momentum. The delay that felt harmless, but cost you another day of your real life. That's the trap. Not catastrophe, drift. Not destruction, distraction. And you keep calling it fine. You're not stuck because of fate. You're stuck because of hesitation disguised as logic. You keep calling it thinking things through. Number. It's a stall tactic. You're dragging your feet on the edge of a life that would electrocute the version of you that still needs validation. That's the real fear, isn't it? Not failure, but disintegration. So here's your first trial. What's one decision you've been pretending isn't a decision at all? The one you keep burying under "it's complicated" and "now's not the right time." Yeah, that one. Say it out loud, like a confession, like a curse. And then ask yourself this. What would explode if you finally made the choice that terrifies you the most, but would free you the fastest? Let me detonate another illusion while we're here. You don't need more clarity. You don't need another journal prompt. You need an act of violence against your comfort, against your programming, against the story that keeps you small. You need a metaphorical knife to cut the cord between who you are and who you used to be. Because deep down, you already know what to do. You're just praying you won't have to bleed for it. Second trial. Drop in the comments the one decision you've been circling like a cowardly shark. The one that ends an era, burns the bridge, or finally pulls the plug. It could be a breakup, a move, a confrontation, a truth you've choked down for too long. Drop it, if you dare. Like, subscribe, and slap that bell icon like it's the eject button from the simulation you've been stuck in. This isn't a motivational talk. This is your dare to detach notice. Next time, we'll talk about why people don't really fear change. They fear the grief of leaving behind the identity they spent years protecting. But for now, don't wait for the breakdown. Be the demolition. Because the life you want isn't waiting around the corner. It's hiding behind the one decision you keep postponing, hoping comfort will buy you more time. Spoiler, it won't.